Good morning, Rising Stars. Today we are in our Lesson Book A of our Piano Adventure series, and we are going to talk about the whole note. And with our super beat heroes, that is Melody Watermelon, and she gets 4 counts. Watermelon, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or ta-ah-ah-ah. Okay, so in this exercise, and you'll notice the whole note is just a white note with no stem. It gets 4 beats. So down here on your train, you're going to draw in 4 patterns. You can use whatever you want, your quarter note, half note, and whole note, and make sure that you only have 4 beats in each of your train cars. Now here, these are the rhythms. And so playing C, D, and E, you're going to go through and you're going to play the rhythms that you see. And don't forget to add your superhero beats. We've got beats for beat, 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 and then watermelon. And here we've got beat, beat, melon, watermelon. So you're going to go through and practice that, playing it on C, and then D, and finally on E. And write down which hand is playing the top train and which hand is playing the bottom train. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with the stems on the notes. So have fun with this one.